nature psychology. The edge of religion, philosophy and science, is psychology, especially the mental attitude. Religion is about morals. Philosophy is a matter of thinking, while science is a matter of awareness of concrete reality. His third marriage gave birth to a person who was insightful, critical, and morally sensitive at the same time. That's why, people will not be amazed if in a person only settled one of the three factors. Because in fact, all three are needed simultaneously in life. If it's just great, but the moral sensitivity is dulled, it's still like a child. Likewise, if only pretentious but stupid and intolerant is the same as Daci and barbaric humans,